Hi everybody, my name is Bill Manchinton and I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Boston with the law offices of Matthew W. Peterson. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 facts you need to know about OUIs in Massachusetts. The first fact that you need to know is that to be found guilty of an OUI, the Commonwealth must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you A. operated a motor vehicle, B. in a public place, and C. while under the influence of alcohol. Commonwealth must prove all 3 of those elements or the whole case fails and the charge has to be dropped. The second fact that you need to know about OUIs in Massachusetts is that refusing a breathalyzer means the Registry of Motor Vehicles will automatically suspend your license for 180 days. And if you were already found guilty of one OUI sometime in the past before you refused that breathalyzer, you'll lose your license automatically for 3 years. However, if you receive a not guilty or a dismissal in that case, you can apply to the RMV to get your license back immediately. Finally, the third fact that you need to know about OUI is that the penalties get more severe if you get multiple convictions. For instance, first-time OUI offenders face fines from up to $5,000, a possible House of Correction sentence of up to 2.5 years, and a loss of license up to 1 year. But first-time offenders can sometimes get probation and a hardship license if they agree to complete a 16-week driver alcohol education program and there are no aggravating factors about the incident such as serious injury or harm to other people. Second-time offenders face fines up to $10,000, a minimum 60-day House of Correction sentence, and a 2-year loss of license. But in some cases, second offenders can avoid jail time if they agree to a 14-day inpatient alcohol treatment program. Third-time offenders, however, face very serious consequences with fines up to $15,000, mandatory minimum jail times, and up to 5 years in a state prison. Their license is also automatically suspended for 8 years by the RMV. And to make it worse, the third offense is also considered a felony, not a misdemeanor, which means you lose some of your most important constitutional rights, such as the right to vote if you're incarcerated, and the right to own a firearm. I hope these 3 facts have helped you understand a little bit more about OUIs here in Massachusetts. Like and subscribe for more legal content, and call our offices today if you or someone you know is facing an OUI.